again, it's Nelly Barova here from Art Division. This is day 7 and tip number 7 for estate and letting agents in the UK looking to plan and strategize a successful digital marketing campaign in 2020. Over the past 6 days, I produced short videos helping you understand who are you going to who are you going to target, the problems that those people are currently facing, what is their after state, so where do they want to be if those problems are solved, what are the sort of assets you need to produce in order to help your ideal customer solve those problems, what are the channels you're going to use in order to spread those assets and engage with your ideal customers, what is the glue that will help you put everything together and actually increase your lead generation, so move people to the next phase and actually get them to buy your services. And today is my last video of that 7-day series, and I would like to cover tracking and measuring. It is really important that you understand your figures and you really know which of your assets perform the best. So ensure that you have installed Google Analytics on your website, ensure that you have your Facebook and your Google Pixels everywhere so you can track exactly how many people have engaged, what kind of assets are they engaging with, are they engaging with your blog, are they downloading stuff, are they visiting other pages, do they leave the site from certain places, how many conversions are you getting? If you're not getting enough conversions, perhaps the problem might be that your calls to action are not particularly clear, or in fact they don't exist at all. So measuring is absolutely key to have a successful marketing campaign, because once you have that data and that knowledge as to what works and what doesn't work, you can then start tweaking and improving your assets. If something works particularly well, then you can invest perhaps a little bit more money into it and improve it and do even more of it. If something doesn't work, then obviously you have to stop using it and change it with something else. So if you don't really have much knowledge about Google Analytics, or Google Tag Manager is another way to really have proper tracking in place. We also track our clients' calls as well. I mean, we know exactly where those phone calls are coming from, what channel they're coming from. So this is another thing that I recommend that people track, not just your form inquiries, but your phone calls that come from your website or other assets. If you don't really know how to do this tracking, speak to your web team or your marketing company. If you don't have a web team or a marketing company, by all means, feel free to contact us. It's artdivision.co.uk. I have a brilliant team behind me who can really help, and we are able to take couple more clients at the beginning of next year. So if you are looking to grow your agency, you really need help with putting the assets together, strategizing, planning and execution of your campaign, then I would be more than happy to have a chat with you and see if we can help. If not, then I wish you the very best. Merry Christmas and a wonderful new year. All the best with your business and your business planning. Thank you for listening. Bye-bye.